Welcome back, guys. Today's video we'll be looking at this head wrap. Very simple and fast. Let's get started now. So I'll be using that material. It's a stretchable material. Is it called lycra or so? It's a stretchable. It stretches. So that's the material I used. So you can just see how I pleated it and I place it on my head. So here I'm trying to get which side should I make shorter and make the other one longer. The there will be a particular one that will be shorter, very short, and the other one will be very long, just as seen. So watch the video and get. I don't really have. I don't know how to explain much. So see how I place it, that shorter hand, and I take it to the back. Why it can reach the back is because it is stretchable. So when you want to try this scarf, please use a stretchable material to achieve it. So to the front, to the longer one. So you see what I did there. Just make it small and start knotting it. You know when you are knotting that intestine hair, so I think that's the method I use there. If you know how to knot that intestine of a cow or whatever, so that is the method I use to achieve that place. So it is done very fast. So and if you have a longer one, you can also make it longer, but because it is stretchable, it's easy for me to let it reach the back. That's why I found that the material is not that long, but it is a stretchable material. I was able to achieve what I wanted. So it is secured. Now the remaining one I secured at the back, and that is the first place I placed the twist. Is it twist or weave or knot that I made? So I place it in that side first. So there are I can also place it at the other side if I want. So I'm just checking it out. It is done. You can see in less than 2 or 3 minutes we can achieve this. So I'm just trying to adjust and see what it looks like in that place. So we are done with it like that. So in case you want to change it to other side, so that is what I'm doing here. I just try to remove it from that side and check it out at the other side to see how it's gonna look like. I think I like this side and the other side. When I place it here, I like it than the other side. You can also check it out if you prefer one side to the other one. Just place it and see which one look more beautiful. So that was what I was just doing there, and I love it in that side. So that is that there. And I think I have another one that I tried. I tried another one, which is a third tie. I just loosened that one and I placed it at the middle. You see, so I placed it at the middle and I tuck it in at the back. So the thing did not want to stay, but I just try to pull it. It is stretchable, so it's very easy for me to pull and let it reach the back. So look at that. So I pull it and secure it at the back. I secure it at the back. So don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to. So see you in my next video, guys. Till then, stay blessed. I love you. Subscribe. Just click the button. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Do that now. Do that now. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Do that now. When you do that, you encourage me to do more. So see you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye bye.